Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, October 29th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin on Zondacrypto. This is daily time frame chart, Japanese candlesticks. As you can see, we are moving up, and up. Maximum level for today is 72,840 tethers. So as you can see, just as expected, we are approaching the all-time high. Right now we are just roughly, I think it will be less than 1% from the all-time high. I think it will be, yeah, it's 1%, less than 1% from the all-time high. So these levels should be very soon tested. So where is the next target? 73,550 is the next target, so it's a technical resistance. Now we broke above 72,480. That's a technical resistance as well, and there's one more here that is worth of mention, 71,820. So right now the market is trading inside of this supply zone, approaching the all-time high, and when we take a look at the momentum, so let's apply RSI indicator, you can see that on a daily time frame chart we just hit the level of 70. So it means that the test of the all-time high is still possible, because it's right now the price is less than 1% from this all-time high, so it's quite possible that we test it. But please expect some kind of a pullback when this level is reached, 73,550. What are the technical supports for us these days? Well, for sure it will be 69,812 and of course 70,000 tethers. 69,358 would be a good technical support, and there is one more, if I can mention, it would be this one, somewhere around 65,248. What is the next target? All-time high, and then I guess that the next one is 75,000 tethers, and then 80,000 tethers. So this is how it looks like on the daily time frame chart. We are approaching the all-time high. The market scenario for the Bitcoin is bullish. The expected scenario is bullish as well. Up we go. Let's see how this supply zone will be played out by the bears soon. Whether there will be some sort of the pullback and then uptrend assumption, or maybe some kind of a deeper correction. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.